For extra security on your website, you have the ability to limit membership requests to the site. You can set it up so that the only way new users are added to the site is if they are manually added by the administrator. The main benefit of this process is the removal of spammers requesting access to your website. When adding users to your website, obtain the full name and email address of the person you would like to add, as well as any other required information. To manually add users to your website, under the People option in the Admin menu at the top of the screen, click Add User. Then complete the fields as follows. Something to keep in mind: fields may vary depending on the website design. At least the required fields must be completed in order to add a user. For username, enter the full name of the user. For email address, enter the email address provided. For password, enter a generic password. The user will be given the ability to change the password the first time they log in. For status, active is selected by default. You do not need to change this option. If active is not automatically selected, make sure to manually select it. For roles, select the role for the user. Authenticated user is selected by default. In most cases, this is a sufficient role for your members, and no other role needs to be selected. Next, check off the Notify User of New Account selection. By selecting this option, the system will send an email to the user that an account has been created for them. This way, you don't have to manually send an email yourself. Once all of the information is entered, go ahead and click Create New Account. The account is created and an email is sent to the user. Repeat this process for all new users.